Iowa trucker Tim Dean is part of the crew delivering the U.S. Capitol Christmas tree this year. I'm Southwest Iowa reporter Katrina Markle, and I caught up with him in Washington, D.C.
Over my shoulder is the Capitol Christmas tree, and I might be able to turn a little bit.
He calls it delivering smiles.
I just feel honored and privileged to be one of the drivers to deliver this year's United States Capitol Christmas tree.
The People's Tree was harvested at Monongahela National Forest in West Virginia. It's been making stops on the way to the Capitol.
Just watching the people smile and people, talk about not seeing each other, it's brought them together.
Tim's been away from home for 2.5 weeks with co-driver Jesus Davila, a decorated Marine Corps veteran from Texas.
This whole journey with a very large truck and trailer, we've always, safety's been number one.
While Dean has been meeting many new people along the journey, this isn't the first time we've met him. Back in August, the Warner driver reached 5 million accident-free miles. That accomplishment got him here, Joint Base Andrews, just outside D.C.
You couldn't imagine the excitement, not only for me, my family, the community. My wife and kids are always saying, everybody's been tracking that U.S. Capitol Christmas tree now that they found out that, somebody from their area is hauling it.
Tim and Jesus deliver the tree to the Capitol Friday morning, getting them both home for the holidays. I'm your Southwest Iowa reporter, Katrina Markle, 3 News.